Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa ating mga ka-cheers. Kumusta na po kayo ngayon? At tayo po ba ay nag-enjoy sa ating mga holiday? Kaya naman, samahan niyo po ako ngayon. Tara, let's go! Lama Island is the Hong Kong third largest island. It's a laid-back, car-free oasis renowned for its bohemian, multicultural community, hiking trails, and fresh seafood. Located at 30 minutes ferry ride from Central Pier 4, it is offer peaceful retreat with key areas like Yung Shu Wan, it's a north, and Soku Wan east. The key attraction and activities is the Pamil Trail, a 5 kilometer, 1.5 to 2-hour babe hiking trail connecting the main village of Yungshuan and Shukuwan, passing beaches in the Kamakasi Cave. Seafood dining. Famous for open-air restaurant, especially in Sukuwan, which featured fresh fish caught from rough in the bay. Beaches. Hong Shing Yu Beach is the most popular, while Power Station Beach is popular for relaxing, and Lo Sing Beach is quieter. Lama Winds, a small wind turbine in the north with scenic views. Lama Island culture and history. Historic Tin Hau Temple exist in both main villages. How to get there? Ferry from Central Pier 4 direct to Shung Wan, approximately 30 minutes, or Sukwu Wan, approximately 30 to 40 minutes. And also you can drive from ferry from Aberdeen, connect to Sukwu Wan and Mutatuan. Lama Island is no cars. The island is car-free, relying on village vehicles, small trucks for transport, offering a quiet rural atmosphere. Vibe in Lama Island is known as hippie haven, with a relaxed, creative, and east meets west atmosphere. Our visit time to Lama is year-round, but weekends can be busy with local and its popular day from trip destination of our tourists. Lama is the third largest outlying islands in Hong Kong, with an area of 13.47 kilometer. It is also known as Y Island due to its island shape and its location at the south of Hong Kong. Lama has population exceeding 10,000 people. Majority of which are foreigners who value the peace of quiet of the rural lifestyle. Lama is an ideal place for great escapes from busy city life by taking ferry. The traveling time between Central Pier 4 and Lama is only 30 minutes. Lama is a holiday resort desired by the people of Hong Kong during weekend. During recent years, more people love Lama and purchase home direct. A car-free island separate the noise and exhaust emission from vehicle. Most of the buildings in Lama are low-rise residents. In Lama, green hills, beautiful bays, and fresh seafood. Mr. Chow Yun-fat, as a Hong Kong actor, based known in Asia, was born in Lama Island. Residents of the island are proud of him. A comfortable and unforgettable trail linking the major villages between Yongshouwan and Suwokwan. Visitors can soak up the beautiful scenery along the way. Other trial of Lama develop in relation and access the Mount Stenhouse at Island South. For those visitors enjoying the abundant sunshine, they are gathered at Hongxingyi Beach and Lushuxing Beach. However, owing to its rugged terrain, Lama has very small area of farmland. Rocky and bare hilltops dominate the island's grassy lower slope, and archaeologists have associated it with some of the earliest settlement in Hong Kong. In the past, transportation was the main factor to hinder the development of Lama. Upon the compilation of years at Yongshouwan and Sukwuwan in 1960s, as well as subsequent improvement of ferry service, Lama has attracted more and more people from local and abroad to visit and settle down. Thus, Lama has become an island mixing the Chinese and Western culture. At present, the ferry service linking Lama with Hong Kong are mainly the routes heading to Central. They are operated by Hong Kong and Kowloon Ferry Limited for Yongshouwan Road and Sukwuwan Road. Before, the Lama is named as Puloy or Puloy Chow. Lama at present is divided into North and South section and administration under the Lama Island, North and South rural communities. Beside Putay Island, nearby is also part of Lama. The north section consists of 12 villages, and the other part is 7 villages. Most of the residents of Lama are descendants of Chan, Chow, Nang, Fong, and Chang families originally from Guangdong. While there are a few residents living in the southern part of Tonggu and Yongshulong. Since the construction of pier at Yongshouwan and Sukwuwan in 1960s, ferry transportation has made it more convenient and attractive for local people and foreigners to visit or even settle down there. Thus, Lama has become an island mixing the Chinese and Western culture. The power station of the Hong Kong Electric Corporation built in 1978 in the largest industry of Lama. The historical relics unearthed in Lama Island are older than those from other outlying islands in other regions of Hong Kong. They can be traced back to from the Neolithic age of Western Han before period and taking as the evidence that there were human habitation of Lama as long as 5,000 years ago. Lama Island had become the most famous place for archaeological studies in Hong Kong. Lama was still under control of China until 1898, when the convention between Great Britain and China respecting an extension of Hong Kong territory was signed. Lama was put in the domain of British Hong Kong colony. Generally speaking, because of the inconvenience of communication, Lama developed slowly after the World War II. Besides the power station of the Hong Kong Electric Corporation, one can hardly find any tall of historical building there. Therefore, its original natural environment has been well reserved to make it an ideal scenic spot. That's all, my dear cheers about Lama Island. I hope you like my videos today and you learn about the Lama Island here in Hong Kong. It's very beautiful scenery even if you are still in the ferry riding on it, and when you go there it's very nice and all the people is very calm and kind. It's there a lot of stall also that you can eat like a toro that you can have the food on the stick in some merienda and even some of your uh, favorite street food here in Hong Kong. So, what are you waiting for? If you are visiting here in Hong Kong, don't forget to put the Lama Island on your itinerary to visit and learn what is Lama is. Experience the nature, the beaches, the trail hiking, the people, and if you know how to do bicycle, you can ride also there. They have some bicycle that you need to rent so that you can visit the whole Ama Island and you're not tiring walking it. So I hope you enjoy and like it this video of us here in Hong Kong. So let's go in Hong Kong. If you like these videos, kindly heart, comment, and please share to our friend and loved ones so that they know also the Lama Island. And if you're not yet friend of Madam Church channel, kindly hit the button for subscribe so that we are always together in a new videos of us. And also, of course, don't forget to hit the notification so that you always notify when my new videos arrive. So let's go and celebrate everything here in Hong Kong. And you are very amazed on the tallest building, and even in the mountain they have a lot of building, a good road, and I hope in the Philippines is like that also. And of course the calmness while you are in the ferry surrounding of the seawater and looking in the tallest building there, and also the mountains, the greenery hills of Lama Island. So let's go and enjoy and relax. And of course, if you are not very good on riding the ferry, you just bring the medicine so that you can be relaxed. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.